The triangular method. So this multiplication we use to multiply any number between 21 to 29. Any number between 21 to 29.
29.
So first take example 62 times 23. Last time we learned how to multiply by 12 to 19 by triangular method. Exactly the same process, but one small change in this chapter. Because each number starting with 2, 21, 22, 23, 24. So each number starting with 2. Each number is starting with 2. So 62 times 23. 62 times 23. So how we can do this? Now first multiply 2 by 3. What is 2 by 3?
6.
6. 2 by 3 is 6. Now multiply 3 by 6. Cut these 2 and multiply 3 by 6. 3 6 are
18.
18 and add to back digit, but while adding back digit we have to make double of 2 or a double of back digit. So what is double of 2?
4.
So 18 plus 4. 18 plus
4.
4. What is 18 plus
22.
4? 22. Write
22.
down 2. 2 will get carry over.
22.
Yes, 2 will get carry over. Now make double of 6. What is double of 6?
12.
Now
12.
add 12 in carry over 2. So 12 plus 2,
14.
40.
14.
Understood? Same things we have to do like multiplication by 12 to 19. But while coming back, while adding the back digit, we have to double the back digit. We have to double the back digit. Write down the steps while going down and going diagonally up. Multiply. While coming back, add the double of back digit. While coming back, add double of back digit. Understood this one?
Yes.
Let's take one more example. Suppose 53 multiplied by 25. How we can do this again? 3 5s are
15.
15. Carry over 1. Now 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. And what is double of 3?
6.
So 26 plus 6.
32.
32. Write down 2. Carry over 3. Now what is double of 5?
10.
10. 10 plus 3?
13.
13. So our answer is 1325. Is it easy?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Take 3-digit multiplication, 162 times 23. The same like last chapter, we did 3-digit multiplication. So 162 multiplied by 23. So here, 2 3s are how much?
6.
6. Now 3 6s are
18.
18. 18 plus double of 2. What is
18.
double of 2? 4. So 18
40.
plus 4?
24.
22.
Sorry, 22.
22. Write down 2.
22.
2 will get carry over. 2 will get carry over.
Hmm.
Now double of, now 3 times 1. What is 3 times 1?
3.
3.
3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus double of 6.
3.
12.
12 plus 3.
15.
15.
15. Write down
15.
here. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Carry over 2. Hai na? So 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus double of 6 is 12. So 12 plus 5 is 17. Write down 7.
17.
1 carry over. Now double of 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Understood? Understood this one?
Yes.
So in this way, we can multiply any number between 12 to 29. I'm giving some example for the practice. You can solve right now. Forty-eight multiplied by 24. 48 multiplied by 24. 63 multiplied by 29. 97 multiplied by 27. 632 multiplied by 21. 35 multiplied by 21. 325. 24 multiplied by 24. Now solve this right now.